We are in Masai Mara, Kenya with Wander Beyond Boundaries.
माय गॉड क्या सोए हैं यार. दिस ऐसा लगा ट्रेन में बैठा हूँ.
Oh my god, it's 15 degrees!
Rashmi, welcome to Kenya. This is Kenya and we are here to do something really cool. We're gonna go to Masai Mara and see the epic wildlife here in Kenya. And we have with us Rashmi and Mahi. चल उस अबे इतनी ठंड लग रही है तुझे?
बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है ये.
Hi Nidhi, how are you doing?
Welcome, Anand.
Yeah, you're welcome to Kenya.
Thank you so much.
We say Karibu Kenya.
Karibu.
Yeah.
We are on our way to Masai Mara, a 6-hour drive from the airport, through forests, tiny towns, and just 5 minutes in, we spotted a giraffe. But first, fuel, and by that we mean coffee!
She's excited to be in a different country.
I'm like, मुझे टाइम बाद में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कंट्री में आई.
Yeah.
I feel like this is actually a different place.
So the Kenyan chevda.
My mom told me यहाँ पे बहुत Indians रहते हैं. You find everything, you find samosas and everything.
Waste जाता है. ये भी नहीं खाया जाएगा. So with this I can carry.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Whenever we see something like this, we are going to say, Mozambo. Oh, sorry. That's okay. Welcome. Hello.
You can't call me a Mozumbo for this. We are staying at the WBB camp right next to the Mara Triangle. What's wild is literally the Mara isn't fenced, so animals can roam freely. And honestly, that's one of the best things about being here.
Guys, I just can't believe it. What a freaking view, man. Insane. Wow. I mean, seriously.
That's okay. Have.
And you're like, it's alright.
Yeah, it's a nice place.
Hi. How are you?
Welcome.
Oh my god, guys.
All the infinity pools are like that only.
हाँ. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay guys. हम अपने टेंट पहुंच चुके हैं. Yeah.
Don't be shocked.
Okay.
Alright?
What are they called? Rock harrods.
Rocks, hyrax.
Rocks harrods.
Hyrax, yeah.
Yeah. What do they do?
They sometimes moves around your room, maybe roofs of your house.
Yeah.
So wherever you hear them, don't be shocked.
We are in Masai Mara, Kenya with Wander Beyond Boundaries. And let's check our room. Wait, come here. The view, okay. You can take a bath with the view, you can sleep with the view, and if that's not enough, you can take another shower with the view. This is Masai Mara. And if you're lucky, you will find like animals walking. And during the season, you can see the migration happen here in the Mara River. So it's an incredible spot. We've been here for 30 minutes and I'm losing my mind.
You heard a howl, right?
उसने बोला ये
ज़ीब्रा से पेड़ निकाल के गधे आ गए. Okay, what was that?
चले.
I think it will be. As sun comes out, it'll be better. But अभी तुम देखोगे तो हर जगह कोहरा है. तो literally couldn't see the sunrise only. It was just like a light bulb. And this is Rashmi's fit check.
So the thing is, like stupid people, हमें लगा यहाँ पे गर्मी होगी. But यहाँ पे 12 डिग्री है.
Yeah, it gets really
So,
cold.
we didn't have clothes. So this is my actual clothing. And this is a fleece like
A fleeced bathrobe.
bathrobe that I'm wearing.
Good morning. Very nice. Really peaceful. Good morning. Good morning. Yes.
Oh, about the hot water?
Oh, very so nice. Yeah.
So nice.
We took a bath and just came. What kind do you want? Fried.
I reached her and saw the message. We're like, chalo.
No, I realized you guys didn't see it on the group, so I messaged you like individually.
Yeah, we were
also.
just around like just getting dressed and stuff and came here and we took a breath and then saw it.
We got up pretty early, 5:30.
Yeah, I was up at 5:32.
Oh.
That's how you free your hand, Anant. He's like, I can't use my hands.
Okay, sure. So that you know. So like mine, they want to do.
Is ready. Oh my god. This is our
Boys, let's do this.
Anand. How do you feel?
Let me drive first, then I'll tell you how I feel.
Should you drive a little and then we should sit?
I'm gonna give you a copy. Whatever. Can you give me a radio check? Hi Nidhi, Rashmi here.
Check.
Check. Unless you leave that, I cannot respond.
Okay.
So, hi Nidhi, Rashmi here. What's happening? Copy. Good morning, Rashmi.
Over and out भी बोलना है.
For some time.
I think I'll also be ready.
Let's test your driving skills, Anand.
Okay.
Alright, we are good. And switch on now ignition. Nice! How are we doing, guys? How are we doing? So today, guys, we're going to be seeing some lions, some cheetahs, some elephants. Buckle up.
Yes, let's go.
How are we doing today?
How are you doing? You look the happiest person I've been.
Reed, can we live here forever? Muzungu is a local word used for white people, our Gora log. So
basically Firang.
Yeah, Firang. So you know how that came into be. So white people initially came to Kenya and they were seeing around going from here to there, and then locals used to look at them and be like, Zungu, Zungu, Zungu.
Yeah.
So that's how they gave the name
They
Muzungu.
get excited about everything.
Yeah.
They're like, they're zungu. You know? So it's like mazongo.
So they used to like get excited about, oh my god. And then they're like, चलो मोजोंगो ही नाम दे देते हैं लोग को.
And then we came
Yeah.
and we are behaving exactly like Muzungu. We are three biggest Muzungus.
How do you not be a Muzungu यार? अगर तुम गाड़ी चला रहे हो और बगल में एलिफेंट है, अफ्रीकन एलिफेंट, इतना बड़ा एलिफेंट लाइफ में नहीं देखा, इतने बड़े टस्क्स लाइफ में नहीं देखे हैं. The Mara Triangle. Couple of things, guys. Now that you're going to be driving on your own, I want you to stay as close to the lead vehicle as possible. When we see an animal, if you notice me turning off my engine, you will turn it off too. Okay? And if you give it a gap, you see these animals will react to the vehicle. That's exactly what happened with the tusker there. Right? If you were closer, you would have got better shots. But if you want to stop for any reason, you will let me know so that even I stop and we roll together. Right? So on that side is the Greater Mara.
Yeah.
On the other side of the river, basically.
Okay.
Right?
And this side here?
It's the Mara Triangle.
Mara Triangle.
And this is the Olololo escarpment. Look at those baboons this morning.
Wow.
Sorry, I'm proud to be a Mozongo. Look at the teeth.
Yeah. हाथी के दांत खाने के अलग, दिखाने के अलग, right?
That's one tooth. Oh, you see how massive they are?
Oh my god.
That's how they can.
We entered the Mara National Reserve and were immediately blown by the vastness of this place. Our guide Nidhi quickly started spotting different animals for us and explaining their peculiar behaviors.
And most of them in the herd are the females. Do notice the difference in the horns to distinguish between male and female. That is a female. Notice the difference in the horns. Stop, please.
बेचारों को ये लोग मार देते हैं.
लाइन से भी तो कुछ खाना
उसको भी तो भूख लगी है. तुम तीनों आ रहे हो. यो तीनों.
We're surrounded by giraffes at this point. Do you guys notice?
Yeah.
Running and smiling and playing with each other. Did you see those two giraffes kiss?
Yeah. No, I did not see that.
They did like this, like how they made like
There
a
were
heart.
so many that I was just like looking,
And they're running,
running and playing,
chilling. And they're huge. So gorgeous.
so gorgeous.
And इतनी kind eyes हैं.
इतने सुंदर क्यूटली देख रहे
Cute they are.
Anand, how are you feeling?
Mind blown. I am just mind blown. Look at the scenery, look at the animals. And it's not like एक दो zebra या चार पांच, it's like a freaking herd. But don't they need like a larger pool of water?
Not necessarily. They basically need water. Their skin is reasonably sensitive to the sun, and that is why they stay in the water in the day. They do not feed in the day at all.
Oh my god.
Masai Mara has the strangest weather. जैसे दिन होता है और ठंड पड़ती है. It's really cold now. Freaking chilly. Look at Mahi. Blanket बन के रखी हो. हर्ड दिख रहा है zebra का आगे. love this tree. It like signifies that you're in Africa.
Yeah.
Like this tree is the most beautiful tree that, like, you know, like plain fields and then this tree. This is what my childhood was made of. So, for some reason, migration has already kind of started. We're seeing huge herds of buffaloes, zebras, which is like unheard of. So we're actually getting to see this, which actually happens during the high season, which is the migration season. So freaking cool, man. Like, damn lucky to be able to see this. अभी बस थोड़े एक दो शेर मिल जाए जो इनको खाएं, बस लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी.
जो इनको खाए बेचारे यार.
Much higher than us, firstly. Secondly, they don't have sweat glands. Guys, we know of another sighting. This we found on our own. We would like to go there before that animal goes away. Can we move? We can come back to this guy. Okay?
Say hi to the camera.
We just couldn't believe our luck. We had seen a lion up close and we weren't ready to see what's next. A leopard guarding its kill up on a tree.
Yes.
How are you guys feeling?
God, we've seen everything.
Is this the best day of our lives?
Whiskey 1, guys, hurry up. Lots of lions ahead. Lions seen.
Okay, copy. Let's go.
Let's go.
Was that alright?
Amazing.
Oh my god, can you see that? There's a pride of lions and they've had a kill. And the male is protecting the kill from everybody else. He just wants the kids to eat it. So kids are eating it now. Afterwards, I think he'll let the females eat it as well. But this is so crazy. My god, wow.
So the car is stuck in the sludge.
I'm very curious what the leopard and the lion are doing now.
So it started raining.
And our car got stuck.
Yeah. So we are wearing our ponchos. We just saw a lion and a leopard in the last 1 hour. तभी थोड़ा sun था and suddenly now it's raining. So we are in our ponchos, everything is shut. It's so fun. It's like pure day of adventure.
I have no idea. The visibility is like so poor. Can't see shit. But
Even sitting on the side, my heart was like.
It was the best experience I have ever had.
Really?
What an experience! Oh my god! It's not just the game, it's also to get to them and just driving around. It's so beautiful. How was it?
I cannot put it into words. Like, I just cannot put it into words.
Yeah?
We saw the leopard when it was just walking down. Oh my god, it was so beautiful.
Can I start?
Take a picture, okay?
Yeah, I have some clips here.
They'll pop up. There they are.